Hello, Goutham.
Hi, Debbie.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, great.
Yeah. Tell me, what are we doing today?
Dive out of a plane
Dive out of a plane. Nice.
Yeah.
Why would you want to do that?
to be at peace.
To be at peace.
Ever since I knew that people are jumping out of planes above the Dubai Palms, I knew I won't be at peace without doing that.
So today's the day.
Today's the day.
How are you feeling?
Excited. Slightly nervous, yeah. But
Mostly excited?
excited.
Good, okay. We met Brandon. Did you understand all those instructions?
Yeah.
Very
He
good.
harnessed me up. All good to go.
Good. Any questions?
No. That's
Ready? Let's
set.
go. How are we feeling?
back to the earth.
Back to the earth.
Yes.
Alive and well.
Yeah,
Did you-
I just need to go back up again.
Yeah, we do it again? What was your favorite part?
Jumping out the first 5 or 10 seconds.
Yeah, it is the best.
Amazing.
Mine too. Thank you so much for jumping with Sky to be back.
Thank you, Debbie. Thanks a lot.